Hello everyone, welcome back in Bulgaria. Today I would like to show you the last project that we completed here in Zona Divo, that's the heating system. I would like to show you that because I designed it for be a multi-energy source heating system. So that means that we have two kind of sources. That one is the wood burner, so the wood, and the second one is the solar panel. The wood burner, I decided to have it because we can provide the wood from our forest, and this is local, so and is also renewable kind of energy. The solar panel, of course, is for the same motives. So this system, it will be completely environmental friendly. Of course, you can say that the solar panel will pollute, but probably if you think how much of energy that's involved to move gas, to move electricity, maybe it can be more local, that's important. Anyway, so I can show you now the system and let me think what you think because I'm really happy about it. So in this case, what you can see now in the video is the wood burner. Sorry, I decide to locate it in the entrance because having the wood burner in the middle of the house is going to be helpful for the heat propagation. And the second motive is because when you walk in from a cold environment, so from outside to inside, find a room that is nice and warm, more than probably is what is the need, make you feel better. Generally, when you walk in inside to the house, you look for something warm, and then you feel, okay, now it's I'm fine, it's too much, and I can move somewhere else. Also, this is a multi-purpose wood burner. So in this case, we can cook on it, we have the oven, and of course, dry our clothes. And we control the heating system from here because we can check the heat in the system, the temperature, we can check the pressure, and the pump it's here. It's at the moment is an electric pump, but it will be an electric solar pump. The other interesting part in this heating system is the way how we transmit the heat. In the toilet, we build up a radiator, a floor radiator system. So in this case, the floor is here, and below to the floor, we have the heating pipes, like heating system pipes, that they warm up the floor. I think this is a really nice idea because I feel I've liked when I go to the toilet and I have a shower, like walk off to the shower and find a nice and warm floor. I think it's really cool, and I did that. So the second system that we use, it's slightly different because it uses a different role in the thermodynamic. That is the radiation. In this case, the radiation. We still having a radiator, like it's connected to the heating system, controlled with the thermal valves. And the radiator is a small one and is built all the way around to the room, for all the rooms. Why? Because the first thing, the thermal radiation heating system works in a different way. We don't have to warm up the air like we do for the convection system. We feel warm from the radiation emitted from this surface here. And also this system warm up the wall. So more the heat's gonna stay and more the walls they get warm, and they do the same thing like the radiator. So they produce heat thermal radiation. So in this case, the idea is to preserve the house from the cold weather outside, creating a sort of heat barrier around to the house. And also it helps to keep out the humidity. So humidity and cold stay out, but doesn't dry out the air. So inside you have a sort of control, natural control humidity. Just to understand how the thermal radiation system works, you have to think about the sun. The sun doesn't warm up the land, warming up the air, but just heating with its ray surfaces. So this is the same concept, it's completely natural, and that is why I prefer it to have one big radiator that also generally the temperature in the radiator, it goes around 60 to 80 degrees, and to produce that amount of heat you need a lot of energy. This system can work with between 35 to 80 degrees, so it's much more, there is more wider range of temperature for working. And so I'm quite happy about that. I'm really surprised that I could do that here in Bulgaria. It was really difficult. That's why we're completing the heating system in the end of February. That's actually the end of winter. But anyway, we'll be ready for the next winter, and I'm really happy because I've done that by myself, and a little help from the people that came to weld the radiator because I was not able to weld it, that's of course. So thank you very much for watching us, and let's go on. If you want to come and visit, we're almost ready. If you don't want, just leave a comment. I would like to know what you think. Have a good evening. Bye.